We're here today at our latest Residence 5 move-in ready home that sits right here on the golf course at Copper River Ranch. This luxurious Granville home is truly one of a kind and is filled with tons of designer features and upgrades. You're gonna love it. Let's go take a look. As you step through these double doors, the first thing you'll notice is this gorgeous wood plank tile flooring that you'll find throughout the home. And as you follow me into the formal dining area, you'll see this beautiful wooden wine rack and a 12-foot sliding door that leads into a private courtyard with fireplace. Above, you'll see this beautiful brick barrel ceiling that leads you into this open concept living space that features upgraded custom shelving, surround sound speakers, and a 16-foot sliding glass wall that leaves you with panoramic views of the Copper River Golf Course. This double island gourmet kitchen features two-tone cabinets, granite countertops, under cabinet lighting throughout, a built-in KitchenAid refrigerator, a large walk-in pantry, double ovens, double dishwashers, a beautiful wooden case range hood, soft close drawers, and a 6-burner gas cooktop. Just off the kitchen, you have a breakfast nook that has direct access to the back patio. This master suite has plenty of windows that allow for even more panoramic views of the Copper River Golf Course. And that's not all. You even have a sliding glass door with private access to the back patio. This master bathroom has beautiful granite countertops, white cabinets, a tiled-in tub, an incredible vanity with tons of storage space perfect for getting ready in the mornings, plenty of additional storage space, and this large step-in shower that features dual shower heads and a large bench. And look at this incredible walk-in closet that features designer shelving throughout. And the best part is one of Granville's signature features, this closet gives you direct access to the laundry room, featuring upgraded cabinets, a sink with granite countertops, and a large linen closet. And picture this large bonus room that could be the perfect guest room or home office that features a large sliding door with access to the courtyard and this beautiful fireplace. This home is filled with tons of designer features and upgrades that are truly one of a kind. For more information, visit gvestates.com or give us a call at 559-445-9000.